Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. If you are new here, just so you know that I upload Northeast Indian recipe videos and my motorcycle and travel vlogs. Today I am going to share with you a traditional Hajong recipe from Northeast India called Leba, which is a delicious dry fish rice flour gravy. The humble ingredients that are required for this yummy dish are dried fish, dried red chillies, salt, ginger, khar, and rice flour. Now let's start cooking. First of all, soak the dried red chillies in hot water for 10 minutes. Then pound them into a fine paste and keep aside. Then clean and rinse your dried fish in cold water and keep aside. Now take a pan, add 3 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, add your dried fish, salt, ginger, red chilli paste, and khar. Open cook this on a low flame for 10 minutes. Now take your rice flour and add water into it to make a smooth paste. Add this rice flour paste into the pan. Stir it well. Let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes on a medium flame. Occasionally stir it gently in between. Once it turns into a thick gravy, your leba is ready. Here is our leba. The gravy is not just beautiful to look at but yummy and comforting. I hope you enjoyed this recipe video and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And now it's time for me to dig in.